Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Tesla Model Y Dance Easy Guide. Start by updating your car and selecting a safe, flat, legal space for testing. Next, enable relevant driving features and set parking brake to secure the vehicle. Walk through the dance routine slowly, testing each move at low speed and confirming all systems respond. Keep a spotter nearby and stop immediately if anything seems off. Before attempting any maneuvers, gather everything you need and plan the sequence step by step. Check battery level, tire pressure, and software status to prevent interruptions. Choose a spotter who understands the routine and can call out hazards or stop commands. Practice each motion slowly and incrementally, and confirm the car responds as expected. If the vehicle behaves unpredictably, pause and troubleshoot before proceeding to higher speeds or complex turns. When you are ready to perform, start at the slowest safe speed and execute one element at a time. Use gentle steering inputs and short throttle blips to create controlled motion rather than aggressive maneuvers. Keep the spotter informed and use the parking brake between runs to reset. Gradually string moves together as confidence grows, always prioritizing predictability over showmanship. Stop immediately if tires slip or the car behaves strangely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.